In my previous video, I have taught you about colorful word first topic, that is reflection of light through a glass prism. Now in present video, I am going to start new topic, that is dispersion of light. So let's start today's topic. Newton means Sir Isaac Newton. Name of a scientist, name of a physicist. In 1665, he demonstrated that white light is made up of 7 different colors. White light is made up of 7 different colors. What does it mean? Means white light is not a single color light. It is a mixture of 7 colors of light. Mixture of 7 colors of light. So we can say that white light is a mixture of 7 different colors of light. They are represented by a word Vibgyor, where each letter stands for a particular color. Like V stands for violet, I stands for blue indigo, B stands for blue, so I may write it, that is violet, indigo, third one that is blue, fourth one green, fifth color is yellow, sixth one is O. O means orange, and the last one R. R stands for red color. So we can say that white light is made up of these 7 different colors that can be learned by a single word, that is Vibgyor, where each letter stands for a particular color. This order is very important. You will come to know about this right now. So Newton in 1665 demonstrated that white light is made up of a mixture of 7 different colors of light, learned by word Vibgyor. How these colors of light can be obtained can be demonstrated now. When a ray of white light, that is not a ray of monochromatic light. Mono means single, chromatic means color. It is not a monochromatic light which is made up of single color. It is white light, a ray of white light. When this white light falls on the front face of a prism PQR at a point, then due to change in medium as it enters in the glass, it splits into its constituent colors. So there are 7. So white light split as it enters the prism. When it leaves the prism, they also, each and every color, bend towards the bottom. Bottom means that is the thicker surface of our prism. So in this way we have obtained on a white screen on which we are obtaining the group of color. This group of 7 colors that is obtained on the screen, it is known as spectrum. Spectrum means group of 7 colors obtained on the screen when white light is made to fall on the prism. This group of color is in a particular order learned by Vibgyor from V to R. Each color represent a particular letter. Okay, or we can say each letter represent a particular color. So there are group of 7 colors. This group of 7 color is spectrum. What did you observe? That when white light pass through a prism, not a monochromatic, it is a white light. White light means mixture of 7 colors. It splits. So first, what did you observe here? That splitting of light takes place. Splitting of light takes place into its constituent color. Constituent color means white light जिस कलर से बनी हुई थी उन कलर्स में स्प्लिट हो गई है. A spectrum is obtained on white screen, not on black. A spectrum is obtained on white screen. Why we have taken here white? Because white screen does not absorb any color. ये कोई भी कलर को absorb नहीं करेगी. No absorption or zero absorption. When it does not absorbs any color, so each and every color is clearly visible to us. So spectrum is clear. Spectrum is not in the upward direction, it is towards the bottom. It means spectrum is bending towards the thicker surface of prism. Towards thicker surface of prism as it was done in single way. Now, the process of splitting up of white light into its constituent color. The process of splitting up of white light into its constituent color is known as dispersion of light. Why white light disperse? Because it is made up of 7 different colors. So dispersion of white light or splitting of white light into 7 color demonstrate that white light is actually made up of 7 colors of light. Okay, now this was demonstrated by Newton in 1665. So this is the dispersion of light. Learn some important facts about this topic. In spite of going straight, each and every color has bent some. But which color has bent least and which color has bent most? Observe the pattern that the color which bent least means सबसे कम जो bending जिसने की है वो कलर क्या है? Red. And the color which bent most, जो सबसे ज़्यादा bending कर गया, that is जो सबसे ज़्यादा नीचे चला गया, that is violet. So it was all about dispersion of light. Now let's learn what is the cause of dispersion, what is the basic cause of dispersion, why dispersion occur. It is very important topic, so learn it carefully. What is the cause of dispersion? Students, you know when a light enters in a particular medium, its speed of light, speed changes. It means as white light enters into this, it splits into 7 colors and each and every color having its particular separate different speed. So each and every color travel in the glass, in the prism with different speed. Due to different speed, some colors travel fast. Due to fast minimum bending, they travel with so much speed, so minimum bending take place. So what is the cause of dispersion? Speed of different colors is different. अलग अलग कलर की स्पीड डिफरेंट है, ड्यू टू विच बेंडिंग डिफरेंट. बेंडिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर इज डिफरेंट. कुछ कलर ज्यादा बेंड हो जाते हैं, कुछ कलर कम बेंड हो जाते हैं. अगर ऐसा होता कि सब के सब कलर्स इस ग्लास प्रिज्म में सेम स्पीड से ट्रेवल करते, इफ दे ट्रेवल विद सेम स्पीड देन देयर मस्ट बी सेम बेंडिंग. सेम बेंडिंग मीन्स सेम, चाहे कम बेंड करेंगे, ज्यादा बेंड करेंगे, सब एक ही लाइन में बेंड कर जाते हैं मिलकर. अगेन दे विल गिव अ सिंगल मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइन. बट इन द प्रेजेंट केस स्पीड ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर इज डिफरेंट. हर कलर की क्या है? स्पीड डिफरेंट है. स्पीड डिफरेंट है तो बेंडिंग डिफरेंट है. दैट्स व्हाई दे स्प्लिट्स, रिजल्ट्स इनटू स्प्लिटिंग अप. वो स्प्लिट कर जाएंगे. स्प्लिट करने से हमें क्या देंगे? स्पेक्ट्रम. स्पेक्ट्रम मीन्स व्हाट? ग्रुप ऑफ 7 colors obtained on the screen. Okay, now which color is having maximum speed? Maximum speed, maximum speed है रेड की. जब रेड की स्पीड सबसे ज्यादा है, इट मीन्स वो सबसे कम बेंड करेगा. इट मीन्स मिनिमम बेंडिंग. सबसे कम बेंड करेगा कौन सा कलर? रेड. एंड व्हाट अबाउट वॉयलेट? वॉयलेट इज हियर. सबसे ज्यादा बेंड कर गया, बेंडिंग मैक्सिमम. इट मीन्स इसकी स्पीड कैसी है? मिनिमम. मिनिमम स्पीड वॉयलेट, मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग. क्योंकि स्पीड कम है, आराम आराम से चल रहा था. जब आराम से चलेगा तो सबसे ज्यादा बेंड कर जाएगा. इट मीन्स मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग वॉयलेट. Learn these 4 questions regarding on MCQ or 1 mark question. So it was all about dispersion of light with diagram, with spectrum, with important facts, with cause. You have to learn. Who demonstrated? Newton. When? In 1665. What does that? When white light fall on a prism, it splits up into 7 colors. These 7 colors form group that is known as spectrum. Okay. Now this spectrum can be learnt by a name that is known as Vibgyor. Each letter represent a particular distinct color. Which color bend most? Violet. Why? क्योंकि उसकी स्पीड ही इतनी कम थी कि वो आराम आराम से ट्रेवल कर रहा था विद इन द ग्लास प्रिज्म. सो बेंडिंग मैक्सिमम. ओके, सो दिस वाज डिस्पर्जन ऑफ लाइट. नाउ वी कैन लर्न दैट violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. When we move from violet to red, wavelength increases. It means speed increases but frequency decreases. So the question may be from the given order that arrange orange, yellow, red and green in which order. We have to arrange in decreasing order of frequency. Decreasing order of frequency means what? Increasing order of wavelength. Because frequency and wavelength, these two are inversely proportional to each other. Decreasing order of frequency means increasing order of wavelength. तो हमें increasing order of wavelength में लिखना है, हम अपना आंसर वैसे ही डालेंगे as per the demand of question. Decreasing order of wavelength. ऐसा कौन सा कलर है जहां पर जिसकी वेवलेंथ सबसे ज्यादा है, उसको लेना है. इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा है रेड. बिकॉज व्हेन वी मूव डाउनवर्ड वेवलेंथ इंक्रीजेस, तो सबसे ज्यादा किसकी है? रेड. येलो ऑरेंज ग्रीन, येलो ऑरेंज ग्रीन, देन ऑरेंज, देन येलो, then green. It is just an example for you to learn more about the same topic. The question may be asked from 7 different colors, any 4 or any 5 or any 3 may be given. You have to reply increasing or decreasing order of wavelength, speed or frequency. So learn this order in a particular way, that wavelength and speed are directly proportional. Wavelength increases, speed increases, but frequency decreases. It was all about dispersion of light. In my next video, I am going to start recombination of light. Means how can we recombine 7 colors to make white again. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.